The Lenovo Z13 Gen 2 is not your typical ThinkPad. It's the first PC to market with a flax fiber top cover, and I'm here in Lenovo's US headquarters in Raleigh, North Carolina to take a closer look at some of the company's sustainability innovations and how they materialize in a machine like this. The Z13 Gen 2 is 13.99 millimeters thick and features a 13.3-inch 2.8K OLED touchscreen display with a claimed 400 nits brightness. There's a standard-looking keyboard, but it has the iconic track point with a quick menu. More of the navigation gets done with this 120mm haptic force pad with 3 configurable areas. This machine is powered by the AMD Ryzen Pro 7000, but you can beef it up with up to 64GB RAM and 2TB SSD. Battery life will depend on your use, but Lenovo estimates over 18 hours of juice. The coolest part is that flaxseed isn't the only sustainable material that Lenovo is working on. While we were at their headquarters, we got to see all of the innovations they're working on in the area of sustainability specifically. In Lenovo's Design Innovation Lab, there's a team focused on the sustainability of the company's products. This lab is testing plastic-free and compostable packaging, plus recycled and responsibly sourced materials for the products themselves. Think cork and post-consumer plastics and even discarded carbon fiber from an airplane fuselage that are all being repurposed in a way that still makes for a well-designed laptop or keyboard or computer mouse. We also took a look at some of Lenovo's data center efforts, namely water cooling technology that is more sustainable for computer performance than cooling fans. Water cooling discharge is much easier to capture and manage than, say, hot air from fans that just escape into the environment. Implementing these types of things is important to recognize so that we can come to expect higher degrees of eco-consciousness from the companies we test and purchase products from. So you might have seen these before. These are flax seeds. They're grown to be enjoyed in smoothies and foods, but when farmers are harvesting them, there are stalks that are discarded, and instead of having them go to waste or be used for whatever else they would be at a farm, these threads are saved. The flax fibers then get pressed down and secured with a bio-based resin. This then gets attached to the aluminum base, which I might add is 75% recycled aluminum. And this is the final product you see on the ThinkPad Z13 Gen 2. The commitment to sustainable materials doesn't stop there. The packaging also has quite a few sustainable elements. We have this bamboo linen bag, and then we have a bamboo and sugarcane cardboard alternative that protects the laptop during shipping. And instead of styrofoam, the laptop ships with the same material, bamboo and sugarcane cushions. Now that you've come with me behind the scenes, I'd love to know what you think about the sustainability strides that Lenovo is taking. Are they steps in the right direction, or is there still work to be done? Be sure to let me know in the comments. You can also check out some more behind the scenes looks from Lenovo's headquarters on social, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok at Tom's Guide. And as always, I'm at Kate Kosich. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.